Another year, another Sydney Mechanical Keyboard meetup, and this one was the biggest we've had so far. So on the 30th of November 2019, we had our annual Mech Meet in Sydney at the New South Wales Teachers Federation building, and as you can see, the place was only just big enough for us, and I was an organiser for the event along with Ryan and Laser Ninja, and to be honest, we didn't expect it to be so unbelievably packed. When we were processing the tickets, the line just wasn't ending, and I would look back at the rest of the room and I was actually getting worried we didn't have enough space, but it worked out in the end, and that just goes to show how the community and just interest in mechanical keyboards is growing, even in Australia. Anyway, as an organiser, we were just flat out all day. We legit spent so much of our time just distributing raffle tickets, so unfortunately I wasn't able to personally film anything myself. Instead, I gave my camera to my bro and cousin and told him to do whatever. We had our friends Shopping Express again supporting us with a bunch of fun activities. They had several systems out with some different games, along with prizes of their own to give away. We also had people selling stuff. Lazy Ninja had a heap of his acrylic wares, so a lot of switch tester stuff, which is especially awesome for beginners to try out some different switches. We had Don from the Board Podcast with his grab bag caps that looked to be quite popular, and newcomer Low-Key Keyboards with his amazing acrylic boards. The Pikachu ones in particular were a massive hit, and no wonder, look how cool they are. The keyboards as always are amazing. We didn't capture them all, so my apologies, but it looks like we had a mix of pretty much everything. To run an event with so many people attending, especially in Sydney's CBD, it costs a good amount, so it was only made possible by our donor sponsors and the prices they contributed towards the raffle. We had many of our old friends supporting us once again, many of which are locals from Australia, which we always love. And to our international sponsors, we are always so grateful to have the support of the greater worldwide mech community. And that's what so much of this is about, the community. Totally cheesy, but the people makes the difference. I straight up hardly saw any keyboards, but I got to meet so many people, so many familiar names, and people I've gotten to know over the years. Hopefully everyone had the opportunity to have a good chat with other people about mechs. Always cool to get different insights from different people. Everyone has their own experiences, and that's why going to a meetup is the best chance to learn as much as you can about mechanical keyboards. You have everything out in front of you, all the different key switches, keycaps, sizes, layouts, everything, but more importantly, the people behind them. A big thanks to everyone who came out, hopefully you enjoyed it. A massive thanks to my co-organisers, Lazy Ninja, who did all the sweet graphics, and Ryan, who took the initiative this year and did an amazing job hosting the event. If you haven't been to a meetup, there's ones happening all around the world. I'll put a link in the description for more info, and hopefully you can get to one near you soon.